All right, guys, here's a shot of my studio setup as it currently is. Still working on things. There's my stand-in, my stunt double. Say hi, Mr. Squatty Potty. He's chilling out. So these are my lights. It's my Jesus light up there. It's not on. And I moved my mic into this position so it's not in frame. Um, my toolboxes, my camera mount, which is a repurposed monopod, a selfie stick. Pretty cool, huh? Just use that plumber pipe thing to do that. And I can plug that straight into my phone to shoot with. And there are drivers everywhere. Test one, test two. Let's turn up the gain a little bit. Test one, test two, test three. I got all three side lights on. No other lights in the room on. And that's adding the overhead light. The Jesus light is not on. Overhead light off. I don't know what the audio's like. We'll see.